everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at beautiful Hong Kong. I'm here with my parents. It's my mom's birthday, and today I'll be showing you my DIY itinerary for our trip in Hong Kong. But first things first, let's get our octopus card and get to our hotel. A21 bus is over there, going to Kowloon. We stayed at the Imperial Hotel, which wasn't the newest hotel, but honestly, the location was fantastic. It was just a minute's walk from the TST train station, the Red Line. If you want to book a hotel with a very good location, I would suggest this one. I'll be leaving my affiliate links down below too, so that you can book this hotel for your next stay. Natin to sa and this one is the roasted goose. We're going to Victoria Peak right now, and from Kowloon we just took the Tsim Sha Tsui station, and then we're going down at Central. Getting off at J9, going to Charter Card. Right now we are at Central area, so it's like their, I guess it's their central business district. It's like their Makati. We're heading off to Victoria Peak, but we're deciding to have breakfast first. So we're here. It's like an 8-minute walk from the station only. So we're having breakfast at the Luk Yu Tea House, which is a Michelin star restaurant. But take note, you have to pay for the tea, which is around $40 something per head for the tea. So take note. We're here at Luk Yu Tea House, so it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and there's a lot of people already eating here. And then they have an English menu and a Chinese menu, so you can just tick the boxes on the items that you want. So here are the items that we're going to try. How about the meatball pa?
Not good.
Pero this one's good, no? Yung the bean curd roll. How's it?
It's good.
Sarap.
It's fine, I like that.
Kakaiba. Kakaiba siya. No? It's like puff pastry with parang... Asado ba ito sa loob? Wala pa. This one's the puff pastry with curry inside, and it has some shrimp also. So light and so fluffy. The table's so messy.
Actually, may barbecue.
How do you like that one? This one's better for you. More unique. This one's unique kasi that one is parang ordinary. You have to dip it a little bit in the soup, they said. This is like deep fried dumpling with bamboo shoots served with broth. So you have to dip it a little bit. This one's good too if you like bamboo shoots. But I like the curry the best. Yeah, that one is my favorite. So this one is a highly recommended restaurant of mine. My top favorites would be the curry puff, and then the bean curd roll, and then the hakaw. Everything was delicious, but those stood out the most. The one that I didn't like so much was the meatball, but definitely a must visit here. So check this out if you're going down at Central. This road is going uphill, but then this whole stretch is filled with restaurants and, you know, cafes. So I think it's a good place to go to. This one is Stanley Road. If the dim sum is not your thing, you can check around this area. If you book in advance, like us, via Klook, you spend a lot less time falling in line, look at the queue for ticketing, so it's much better to prepare. This behind me is the Peak Tram. This is what we are using to get up to Victoria Peak. So this one would be one of the more scenic way to visit the top. So this is what the tram looks like. It's quite big, tapos it's airborne. Mom and dad sweating so much. If you guys have a ticket, the Madame Tussauds is also here, which is the wax museum. We didn't get those tickets. We prioritized other things because we've been here already. But if you have a ticket, why not? Ground floor, and then we go to Sky Terrace. Yeah. Thank you.
You just show the QR code for free.
Alright, thank you so much. Today is our first full day here in Hong Kong, and today we are here at the Sky Terrace. We took the Victoria Peak tram going here, and this is our beautiful view of Hong Kong. So thankful that the weather cooperated. So right now it's around 11:30. There are quite a few people, but it's not bad. It's a Sunday and it's just a beautiful view of the peak. So if you buy a ticket, make sure you buy a ticket including the Sky Terrace. Okay, so this is the sun, 11:45. It's so hot already, so it's time to head out already. The sky deck is also good, but there's this area here. That area down there where you can take better, more up-close looking pictures of the view. So the tram behind me was I guess the original design of the Victoria Peak tram. So they're celebrating 100 years of operation already, and when I was small I remember, I think that's how it looked like. Now the trams here look more modern, and I guess the aircon's a bit stronger. So yeah, it's good to be back in Hong Kong. And there are malls and dining areas inside, although if you get hungry. We were just a bit curious. This is not part of our itinerary, but here's the Hong Kong part, so we'll just take a quick look at this. It's like once you get down from Victoria Peak, you're gonna be able to see this, so might as well just drop by and check it out. It's not hot here, it's shaded, you can hear the birds chirping, so if you want to relax a bit from your hectic walking around, I think this is a good place to go to. For lunch, we're trying something that's not Hong Kong style food, but it's something that reminds us of Hong Kong at least. It's the spaghetti house. So this one is an Italian cuisine, but so you associate Hong Kong with the spaghetti house. So we'll try the food here. Their subway system is also quite efficient once you get used to the different lines. So they're color coded, all you have to do is follow it, and Google Maps is definitely a lifesaver. All you have to do is really follow it like down to the last instruction, and you're gonna get to where you need to go using the MRT.
And from 100 to 390.
You look down. This one is cool. I haven't seen one like this yet na see-through, and they have like the whole, scaled model of the city. This one is a cool feature. We are now here at the very top. We are here at the Sky 100, and this is the 100th floor, and this has a magnificent view of Hong Kong.
This is a peak. This is Hong Kong Island. And on the other side is Kowloon.
So we are currently here in Kowloon.
So we had the chance to see both sides of the island from its highest point.
Which one is better pa?
Actually,
Because we can see it too, no?
this has a better view because you can see the whole horizon.
Apparently, we are 393 meters above sea level. So that's very high, my friends. So like what Dad said, we're seeing both sides of Hong Kong from Victoria Peak and also this observatory. But personally, I prefer this one more. Quite biased with this one because it's also air conditioned. So if you have to choose one, I think this one is a great place to go to. And right now it's around 5:30. I really wanted to get here around 5-ish so that I can see like the sunset view and from the changing of like the bright morning sun or bright afternoon sun to this city light fiesta thing happening right now. So let's wait a little more so we can see the change in colors in the buildings. It's amazing to see Hong Kong in this view or in this light because then you'd see that everything is interconnected with the bus and then the railways and the trams and the MRTs. But then there's a lot of bodies of water, you know, surrounding Hong Kong Island and Kowloon. And it's really cool how efficient their transportation system is. Like, imagine you can connect Kowloon to Hong Kong Island. It's really cool, guys. This one goes all the way around, and then the package includes the snacks already. So if you want like a panini sandwich or you want like waffles or something, you can have it here. That's a great idea. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Shanghai. So it's the 9th tallest commercial building in the world. Our last stop for today is Temple Street Night Market. So we're just gonna check if there's anything we can buy and if there are any food finds within the area. This is the one that we got because it looks flaky. Very flaky. Since we didn't buy much, we quickly got out of Temple Street and now we're looking for something to eat. Yeah, we're gonna try something to eat and I'll let you know how they taste like. This one, I like this. I've never had anything like this kasi. For some buchi with pork inside, with crunchy outside, tapos some gooey in the inside, and then there's pork.